Hashtag just another day in paradise. Take a look at this unique floor plan: 3-bed, 2-bath, 3,450 total air conditioned square feet including mother-in-law suite, 800 square feet, with private entrance and downstairs entertainment area, 1,400 square feet, situated on 3.45 acres, completely fenced and surrounded by nature with a tranquil wooded view, your own private pond and 2 artisan wells. The wrap-around porch is the perfect place to enjoy morning coffee and wildlife. This home boasts vaulted ceilings, the kitchen area has hickory cabinets, an eat-in area, double pantries, and hardwood floors throughout. Live the North River Ranch lifestyle HOA and CDD free. Go ahead and bring the animals, horses, goats, etc. Located only 19 miles from legendary Anna Maria Island. This is the ideal location, situated in between St. Pete and Bradenton / Sarasota with easy access to I-275, I-75.